here's a really super quick tutorial on how to combine two different designs in Canva. So basically you open up the design you want to add to. So I've just opened up this Facebook page. Click on Add New Page, so you get a blank page come up. Go over to your Folders section and then click on all your designs, and then everything that you have created will appear here. And then all you need to do is find the design that you want to add to the one you've got open and click, and Canva will put that design in the next page for you. You can do it with ones that have multiple pages, like this one's got 2 pages. So if I click on that, it will open up all of the pages, they'll all be down here. And then if I just click Add New Page on my design, when I click on this, it will automatically put that page into my design. So I've now got 3 different pages in my design. These are editable as well. So that's just a super quick tutorial on how you can combine 2 different documents or multiple documents into one in Canva. You can then save this, download it as your multiple options, PNG, JPEG or PDF. I really hope that's helpful, and I'll see you later.